Ever said, I had went to the market? Be honest, it sounds okay until it doesn't. But today, you'll finally get it right. No confusion, no boring grammar, just real talk and solid examples to make simple past and past perfect stick for life.
Welcome to Toon Talk English, the place where English meets everyday life. I'm Neha.
And I'm Aryan. If tenses confuse you, this episode is your reset button. We are breaking down simple past and past perfect so clearly, you'll wonder why you ever got stuck in the first place.
You'll get real-life stories, speaking drills, easy tricks, and solid tips that make your spoken English smoother than ever.
And by the end of this, you won't need to watch another video on this topic. Let's jump in.
So, what is simple past?
Simple past equals a completed action in the past. That's it. Nothing fancy. Examples: I watched a movie. She went shopping. We ate pizza.
Here's a useful tip. If you use specific past time words like yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, in 2021, when I was a child, you're most likely using simple past.
Yes, time markers are your clue. If you can point to a specific time in the past, it's almost always simple past.
Now, the big guy, past perfect. It's what we use when we talk about two past actions, and we want to show what happened first. Structure is subject plus had plus V3, the past participle. Examples: I had finished my meal before the guests arrived. She had gone to bed before the rain started.
Think of it this way. Past perfect equals the past of the past.
Use it to time travel in a sentence.
Let's turn grammar into something real. I was late because the train left. Wrong. I was late because the train had left. Right.
That one small word, had, changes the whole meaning. It shows what happened first. Boom! More examples. I was tired because I had worked all night. She cried because she had lost her favorite bracelet.
Tip: imagine you're editing a movie. Use past perfect for the flashback scene, simple past for the main story.
Let's paint a story together. This'll help you remember. Yesterday, I went to my friend's house. When I got there, he had already left for the gym. I rang his bell, but then I realized I had forgotten my phone, so I walked back home. By the time I arrived, it had started raining.
Now, spot the tense game. Went, walked are simple past, and had left, had forgotten, and had started are all past perfect.
You're seeing the timeline, right? One past event happens before the other. That's your signal to use past perfect.
Now it's your turn. Listen, pause, repeat. Speak with us. This is shadowing.
Don't worry about being perfect. Worry about speaking.
Repeat after us.
I had already eaten when she arrived.
He had finished the project before the deadline.
They had gone to sleep before it rained.
She had left before the train came.
We had packed before the taxi showed up.
Speak these daily. Even record yourself. Build that mouth memory.
Speaking is training, not talent.
Let's fix some of the most common tense mix-ups people make.
These are the mistakes that make your sentences sound a little off, even when you know what you mean.
Example 1. I had went to the market. Wrong. I went to the market. Right. Only one past action. Use simple past. Had is not needed.
Example 2. I had ate breakfast this morning. Wrong. I ate breakfast this morning. Right. Again, one action, just simple past.
Now, when do you use past perfect? When you're talking about two past actions and you want to show which one happened first. Example, I had eaten breakfast before I went to school. First I ate, then I went.
Another one. She had left before the rain started. Leaving happened first, rain happened second.
So here's the rule, plain and simple. One past action, simple past. I went, I ate, I watched.
Two past actions. First one equals past perfect. I had gone, I had eaten.
Let's make this unforgettable. Timeline trick. Past perfect means happened before the past simple. Signal words, like before, already, by the time. Words like these can be used to help with the past perfect. Quick story formula. I was nervous because I had never spoken on stage.
You can even gamify it. Every time you tell a past story, challenge yourself to fit in one past perfect sentence.
Let's play out a real scene. You'll see how natural this sounds.
Let's go.
Hey, where were you yesterday?
I wanted to come, but by the time I reached, you all had left.
We had waited, but it got late.
Honestly, I had forgotten my phone again. Couldn't call.
You and your phone, man.
Guilty. Next time, I'll triple check.
Here's your cheat sheet. Simple past equals one completed past action. Past perfect equals two past actions. Use it for the first. Structure, had plus V3. Keywords, before, already, by the time.
All right, time for a quick lightning quiz. Let's see if you've got it.
I'll read the sentence. You pick the right answer. Ready? Let's go.
First one. I ate or had eaten before the movie started. Correct answer? Had eaten, because it happened before another past action.
Second one. She left or had left when I got there. Answer, had left. She left before you arrived.
Last one. We saw or had seen the Eiffel Tower last year. Answer? Saw. Only one action, and we've got a clear time, last year, so it's simple past.
How'd you do? If you got all three right, you're on fire. Last practice. Speak with us. I had just left when she called. She had finished cooking before guests arrived. They had completed the task before evening. We had never met before that day. He had learned Spanish before his trip.
Keep shadowing. Confidence comes from repetition. If today's session finally made tenses click, don't leave without hitting that like button.
And if you're walking away with clarity, hit subscribe to Toon Talk English.
Share this video with someone who's still saying, I had went. Let's fix their grammar too.
We make real English easier, clearer, and more useful for your daily life.
Oh, and check the description. You'll get a free PDF with practice questions and answers based on this lesson.
So, speak up, mess up, fix it, and keep growing. Fluent English? You're closer than you think.
Catch you in the next episode of Toon Talk English.